Jai Hind everyone. In today's video we will learn the next part of reported speech, and today we will learn the rules for change in pronouns. Okay. So first of all, for learning this, for the rules for change in pronouns, we have to learn what is the first person, second person and third person of pronoun. So first person is I or we. Second person is you. And third person is he, she, it or they. Okay. So we will learn how we will change these pronouns in the reported speech. So let's see the first rule. The first person pronoun will change according to the subject. Subject of the sentence. Okay. Now we will see the example for this, how we are changing. He said, I like the book. So I here is first person. I like the book. So while changing from direct to indirect speech, we will see. So this is direct speech. This one is direct speech. Now how we will change it to indirect speech? How we will change the pronoun? The first person will change according to the subject of the sentence. So what is the subject? He. So he is third person. So if the subject is third person, then we will change the first person here to third person only. So how we will change it to indirect speech? How we will change it to indirect speech? This first person pronoun here in the reported speech will change according to the subject of the sentence. So here the subject of the sentence is he. So he is in third person. So we will change the first person of the reported speech to third person. Okay. So he said that he liked the book. Now we will see the next rule for change in pronouns. This we have seen for first person. Now we will see for second, and then we will see for the third person. Now let's see the second rule. The second person pronoun in reported speech, second person pronoun in reported speech will change according to the object. Okay, here it will change according to the object of the sentence. Now let's see the example for this. If it is in direct speech, how we will change it to indirect speech. So he said to me, do you is second person, do you like the book? Okay. So while we change it to indirect speech, how we will change the pronoun? Let's see. So he asked me if I liked the book. So it is a question, so we are using asked, and the second person here will change according to the object. So what is the object here? He said to me, do you like the book? So he asked me if I like the book. So here the object is me and me is changed to I. Okay. So I will be me and I is first person. So here me is changing into I according to the object of the sentence. Okay, now let's see the third rule for change in pronouns. Now see the third rule for this. Third person pronoun will not change. Okay, so in the direct speech you see he said he likes the book. So he is third person. So third person will not change at all. So how we will change it to indirect speech? He said that he liked the book. So there is no change in the pronoun. He liked the book. So these are the rules for change in pronouns. In the next video we will see another set of rules. Okay, till then children, study well. Jai Hind.